Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of PrintVis and related products. In this demo, we're going to look at estimating a label in PrintVis. So let's get started. From our role center, we'll create a new case, set up our customer, Doxy. And we can go over here and set up our order type. And we're going to use a product group for our custom labels today. And give it a name. Okay. And let's enter some job information. 125,000 quantity. Size of our label is 4 by 2 inches. And we're going to run this in 4-color process. Now we go to our job component card, and we'll need to define the vinyl material, the width of the roll for our press. We'll need to select a press, which I have lots of presses available, but I'll need to also understand and know what dies do I have available. I can go over here and I can search my die table of inventory and find the right match, but I can also use this tool selection filter, which allows me to set in some parameters. Spacing, I'm going to use a dead cut, and we don't want anything more than 1/8 of an inch. So I just fill in whatever parameters I need. We're going to go for a rectangle on this one, and base in 4 by 2. When I apply the filters, it gives me a list of available combinations. And I can see that I do have a die, 10-inch magnetic die with a matching cylinder for this. And to select this, I can just select this. But you see, I also have a combination. I can run this on my 13-inch with an adapter, or I can run this on my Digital One 13-inch press. So today we're going to run it on the 10-inch Mark Andy. When I select this, it loads the press. This brings up my surcharges available for the press if I have any options I want to choose. And we can set our colors. That's all good. And we've got it loaded. So now all I have left to do is to set up my paper material. So let's filter. Let's use a BOPP on this. And now I'm looking for a 10-inch roll. There's one right there with some inventory. Load that, and all that's left is select some finishing. We'll use our slitter rewinder today. And we'll put this in boxes. So with a few keystrokes, I've been able to get through and mouse clicks, we've gone through and built our estimate. So we're all done. And you can see in a quick summary, if we look at our processes, we have some pre-press, our flexo plate, mounting, paper substrate, press run, and slitting finishing run. Now let me go back here, and if we choose to, we can just add a couple of versions, and you can see quickly how we can add some variations. The customer is also looking for price for 150,000. Go up to the 175,000 range. And you can see it's instantly recalculating my new lot prices and my unit prices. And I can now send this off in a quote letter. Thank you for watching our videos. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for more great videos. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.